Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody, how are you? Good morning everybody, how are you? Good morning my students. Good morning everybody, how are you? Yeah, good morning. How are you today? I'm fine too, thank you. Okay, before we start our study, let's pray together. Sebelum kita memulai pelajaran hari ini, mari kita berdoa bersama-sama menurut agama dan keyakinan masing-masing. Pray, start. Finish. What day is today? Hari ini hari apa? Ya, good job. Today is Saturday. Hari ini hari Sabtu. Today we are going to learn about farm animal counting. Hari ini kalian bersama Budia akan belajar tentang menghitung hewan. Before we cutting this animal, you must write this song on your book. Jadi, sebelum kita belajar menghitung hewan, kamu harus menulis lagu ini di buku tulismu. Now, let's sing together. Sekarang kita nyanyi bersama. Repeat after me. Ulangi setelah Budia. Ayam chicken, ikan fish, krokodil buaya, bebek duck, monkey monyet, kucing cat, butterfly kupu-kupu, kuda horse. Jangan lupa dihafalkan ya. Nanti kita akan menyanyikan lagu ini di kelas secara bersama-sama. Are you finished write animal songs? Apakah kalian sudah selesai menulis lagu tentang hewannya? Good job! 100 for you. 100 untuk kamu. Now, let's count number 1 until number 10. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clap your hand. Very good. Okay, next we are count this animal. Before we count, what is name of this animal? Apa nama hewan ini? Good job. This is cow. Ini sapi. Kamu harus menulis soal nomor 1 sampai nomor 5. Dan jangan lupa untuk menjawabnya. Tulislah di buku bahasa Inggris. Number 1. Count the cows. Hitung sapi itu. How many cows do you have? Berapa sapi yang kamu miliki? Let's answer together. Mari kita jawab bersama. I have bla 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 cows. Artinya, saya memiliki titik-titik sapi. Kamu sudah menghitung sapi sebelumnya kan? Next, number 2. Count the horse. How many horse do you have? I have bla 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 horse. Wow, what is this? Yes, this is a sheep. Number 3. Count the sheep. How many sheep do you have? I have blah 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 sheep. Wow, what these yellow animals? Wah, ini hewan berwarna kuning. What the name of this animal? Yes, this is duck. Number 4. Count the ducks. How many ducks do you have? I have blah 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 ducks. Next question. Number 5. What this animal? Yes, this is rabbit. Rabbit have a long ears. Kelinci memiliki telinga yang panjang. Number 5. Count the rabbits. How many rabbits do you have? I have blah 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 rabbits. Yay! Clap your hand. Good job, all of you finished the counting all of the farm animals. Kalian semua sudah selesai menghitung hewan. Before we close the learn today, don't forget to say Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Cukup sekian pelajaran hari ini. Semoga bermanfaat. Semoga ilmu yang kalian dapat berkah. Budia akhiri. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye, students.